Hey everyone, I want to do an update on these files. So I just filed down all the nubs off of these little green parts here, and I used both evenly. The Dspiae ones with these angled grooves, or just a generic like $1 circular nano hold files. And clearly for me, I prefer the cheap $1 ones. And I'll tell you why. If all these cutting things are at only one angle, they work best, just rubbing a piece in this direction. And also, you can't see what you're filing. So you end up taking off a lot of extra material. Let's look at this nub here. So all these I trimmed as close as I could with my Dspiae nippers, which are the best nippers for me. But see, I don't know what's going on underneath this thing as I do this. So you see, it's trying to take off material everywhere, and that's not what I want. I just want to remove the nub. Also, I can't really do this direction very effectively because the angle is pretty shallow. So it's a very inefficient way to file off a nub. And the fact that it actually removes more material than I want makes it pretty bad. Trying a circular motion, it's not the best. So that's that section there. Now, what I like about the glass files, I can see the nub. That's the main benefit there. I know when to stop because I have a general idea when I remove the nub. Also, because these are all circles, it doesn't matter what direction I drag this. I can drag this up, down, it's still going to cut. I can do a circular motion. I found this to be pretty effective actually, a circular motion. It'll still cut. It doesn't matter if I'm pulling or pushing, they're all circles. So any direction this thing goes over, and then the ability to see what I'm doing, makes this a far more efficient way to remove a nub. So, it's I really want to like the Dspiaes. They're expensive. I don't generally get anything for free. I paid money for those things. But the reality of the situation is, these $1 generic round hold nano files are simply easier to work with. Mainly because you can actually see what you're doing, right? But also, the second one is you can pull it in any direction and it's going to remove material. So, that's it. Simple experience. That's my experience. You saw me just do it right there live. So, if you're going to spend money, you might as well just start with the $1 ones. Then if you have money to throw away, I guess you can buy these, but I'm never going to use these probably. I'm just going to leave them in a different part of my place and use them to file down things that I don't really care about. If I'm going to remove an entire surface of something. But for removing the little nubs, I'm all about seeing what I'm doing, right? Yeah, sorry, focus is out. Alright, quick video. Thanks. See you guys.